Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Asana for AI task generation automation, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Asana for AI task generation automation, start by navigating to the Asana developer portal. Log in to your Asana account. Once logged in, go to the Apps section in the top navigation menu. Select Manage Developer Apps. Click on Create New App. Fill out the required fields, including the app name and description. Ensure you choose the correct authorization method, which is typically OAuth 2.0 for integrations. Next, input your redirect URI, which is where users will be redirected after authentication. Click Create App to finalize this step. Take note of your client ID and client secret, as you will need these for API calls. Now, visit the Asana API documentation for guidance on the authentication process. Begin the OAuth flow by directing users to the authorization URL using your client ID. Your authorization URL should include parameters like response type and scope. Once users approve access, they will be redirected back to your redirect URI with a temporary authorization code. Capture this authorization code from the redirect URI. With the authorization code, you can now request an access token. Send a post request to the Asana token URL, including the client ID, client secret, authorization code, and redirect URI. If successful, you will receive an access token in the response. This access token allows you to make authenticated requests to the Asana API. Keep your access token secure, as it provides access to your Asana account. You can now set up your AI task generation automation with Asana. Use the access token in your API calls to create, update, or delete tasks. Monitor your automation to ensure everything functions as expected. If needed, refer back to the Asana API documentation for any additional features or endpoints. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.